It's the beginning of a new week, which means a new weekly topic. Our weekly topic this week is going to be deserts. We're going to stick to Africa, but also explore some deserts from other parts of the world. Notice here that most of the northern parts of Africa are deserts, and they're north of the savannah. Let's walk through your goals this week. Down the left side, learners, you should be starting here every single day. Reading minutes are at 40 minutes each day, and I would encourage you to log in to Raz Plus. If you're not using Raz Plus, please send me your title, author, and page numbers, just like you did on Reading Log. If you have extra time and you want to continue working on your reading skills, the activity here on the right has you watching 5 of the videos or picking a few of them and then answering a question. Which desert would you want to visit and why? Or which desert animal would you want to be and why? So you're using your information from these videos here and this map to answer the questions. Now, answering the questions makes it a little difficult because we don't see each other in person. So you're going to use a new piece of technology called Flipgrid. Pick which question you want to answer and then watch the video of how to use Flipgrid. After you watch the video, go ahead into Flipgrid to record your answer. Flipgrid looks something like this. Here, there's one response on Flipgrid, and I pretended that I was Joy. You'll click on the big green button and you'll be able to record your video response. Flipgrid means that you don't need to do all of the typing. You get to video your answer back to me. So make sure you check out Flipgrid if you have extra time. The weekly challenge, again, if you have extra time, is to log into BrainPop. And I have a video showing you how to do that since that's somewhat new. Also check out your dashboard and some of the assignments in BrainPop to watch the videos and participate in the coding project. Every day in cursive and spelling, please complete 1 or 2 cursive pages and check out the spelling list this week. It has K sounds in it, like snake and crack. If you have a printer, here are some activities, and if you don't have a printer, I included some suggestions as well. On the right-hand side, if you have more time, check out this article called Life in the Desert and pick 6 keywords to write them in cursive. Each day for math, you should be logging into MobyMax for at least 30 minutes daily. If you are not choosing to log into MobyMax or Prodigy, and you're doing something that's tech-free, send me a message so that I am aware that you are continuing to learn your math skills. If I don't get a message, I'll assume that you are not practicing math every day, and I will be in touch. On the right-hand side, we're going to keep the African Animal Challenge in math, and also encourage you to check out Prodigy or a game called 24 with your extra time. Exercise this week. Your weekly goal is to try an exercise that practices mindfulness from Mrs. Schlegel, and her link to her website is right here. If you want to check out more ways to stay healthy and fit with Mrs. Schlegel, check out her mystery challenge and her videos. Last but not least, a creativity goal. There is no daily creativity goal. Instead, you have a weekly creativity goal to create a unique desert scene. I have a special video from Mrs. McDonough for you, and I provided pictures for you to brainstorm what it could possibly look like. Gather your supplies and start creating, and then send your desert scene picture or a video of your desert scene to me. You can email it or send it on Class Dojo. At the end of the week, your desert artwork can be featured on Leola's Facebook page, which means hundreds and hundreds of people are going to see your desert artwork. And of course, on the right-hand side, our creativity continues. If you have more time, check out our class Padlet. Some of you have been less active on there. Go ahead and like a friend's or comment to them back and forth. There's a few Wildcrafts tools that you can check out, and some movies that have African animals as their main character or use it as their main setting of the video. At the bottom, breakout boxes are every single weekday. A lot of you love breakout boxes, and they're hosting a new one every day live at 11 a.m. You have a chance to win prizes as well. Contact me if you have any questions about the daily goals that you're doing every day on the left, or if you're stuck on some of the challenges that you're doing with extra time. I also put Mrs. Brenneman's information up here at the top if you'd like to connect with her. Good luck this week, and I can't wait to see what you create.